This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Adorable 3-bedroom ranch with garage and low maintenance yard. Beautiful kitchen with granite counters, laminate flooring throughout. Open floor plan. Great investment. Why rent when you can own for less? Perfect for investors too. Great location close to restaurants, shopping, etc. Garage area is used as storage plus additional room and rear for whatever you might need. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray at 503-680-1221.